somebody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. That's what he's summer do. Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Ooh, fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Oh, feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? 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 Feel me, babe. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's what these summer do.
Hey babes, I just want to say that this wig is synthetic. I wanted to practice on a synthetic wig instead of using one of my human hair wigs. And I just want to say, are you really a baddie if you cannot slay a synthetic wig? If you can't rock a synthetic wig, are you really a baddie? But yeah, if you cannot afford a human hair wig, I know it's expensive, just practice on a synthetic one. But yeah.
Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Feel me, babe. Can you feel me, babe? Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn on. I wanna let you. virgin loves, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you. That's how you summer do. Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Fuck, I look like I don't wanna chill. I'm kissing you, I want you to feel it. Feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Can you feel it, baby, can you feel me, baby? Feel it, baby. Can you feel it, 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 baby? Feel it, baby. No party, I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up on. I wanna turn you on. I wanna let you.
6.5 hours later.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Ay, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the household. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh, a piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind.
What's up, babes? I just want to say I'm sorry I look crazy, I look rough. I didn't even take off my eyebrows because I'm so tired. But yeah, y'all know I had to wear my little glasses from the last video because these glasses are so cute. These glasses are them glasses where you look a mess, but you put these on and you look better. You get what I'm saying? I know you get what I'm saying. But I just want to say my photo shoot was a success, y'all. Like, when I tell you those pictures are so bomb, like, I look great. And I will be posting them on Instagram, and I'll list my Instagram down below if you want to go like and comment and just see them if you want. But what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be doing an unpackaging video again. I love the last video where I did the unpackaging. It was cool. And y'all, like, I had these packages since earlier, and I just wanted to wait to film for you guys. So I'm doing this for y'all. I'm so anxious to open them. So, and I'm so happy because I got 3 packages, y'all. Three at the same time. 3. Because y'all know when y'all order a bunch of stuff separately and they come at different times, it's the worst feeling. But when they come all at the same time and it's unexpected at that is the best feeling, y'all. But without further ado, let's get into the unpackaging. The first thing I'm going to open is these press-on nails. Y'all know how I feel about my press-on nails. Yeah, they're a little bit open, I'm not gonna lie. I had to look at them, y'all. This is the only thing I open, I promise. This is the only thing I open. So who cares, right? It doesn't matter. So what? But oh my god, these nails are so cute. Y'all gonna see the reason why I really wanted to open them. These are the nails. I don't know if y'all can see them. Cute, right? Now y'all know why I opened them. But these nails are so raw, y'all. Like, y'all know how I feel about my press-on nails. But let me get to the next package. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all, I like weird stuff. I like things that people never seen before. So don't talk about my style or my fashion. At the end of the day, if it ever came to a competition of who could dress better, I will win. So yeah. So these are the shoes. These are so cute, y'all. So cute. I don't know if y'all can see them, but yeah, these are like frog shoes. So cute. I've been waiting for these, and the crazy part is they were sold out for a very long time, and I didn't even think it was going to come back in stock, but it did, and I had to order them. Next thing I have is some press-on nails from Shein. I don't know if y'all can see them, but if y'all cannot see them, I'm just gonna insert a picture on the side just in case. But I just want to say, by the way, all of this stuff is from Shein. I know a lot of people talk bad about Shein and say their stuff is cheap, but the way I feel is, I just feel like at the end of the day, I'm only gonna wear certain things one time. You feel me? When it comes to clothes, I wear things one time. But when it comes to accessory like purses and jewelry, yes, I feel like you should definitely spend, you know, the bag on it. But when it comes to clothes, I really don't care, because I'm gonna wear it one time anyway. Not even to brag or anything, but I'm just saying, this is just me and my personal preference. I buy most of my clothes from Shein. And yeah, so if you see anything I'm wearing, most likely it's probably from Shein. But I'm not gonna lie, I do wear like designer, but if it's purses and shoes, things you could wear over and over, like accessories, you know what I mean? So most of the stuff is from Shein. Well, the stuff I'm unpackaging right now is from Shein. So the next thing I have is these little sponges. I don't know if y'all can see, but y'all can't tell me Shein ain't all that. I love Shein so much. Like, people can say whatever they want to say about Shein, I do not care. Like, that's where I shop. And you still can't dress better than me, bruh. Imagine having to wear a whole entire outfit that's like $2,000 just to look good. And I'll still beat you when it comes to fashion, regardless. That's the crazy part. Like, that's the crazy part. But these next things I got is some press-on nails from Shein. Hold on, let me take it out because it's kind of messed up inside the box. I'm probably not gonna see the potential, but I definitely can see them because I know how to put on press-on nails really good. So y'all may not look like how they look. I honestly don't really like the flimsy nails, but I just been buying them because, you know, Shein, they've been really stepping up their game with the nails. I'm telling y'all, like, I'm proud of them. I'm proud of them. They really doing their thing. The next thing I got, what is this? I don't know what this is. Let me open it all the way. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is a bracelet. A Cuban link bracelet. It's cute. It's a heartbroken little piece on it. Oh, by the way, I forgot to say, for these sponges I showed you guys, these are like makeup sponges. Basically, when you apply them, when you put powder on, and they have rhinestones on it, so it's so cute. Had to buy them. Okay, but the next thing, okay, is this top. One of these days I'm gonna do a clothing haul for y'all. It's a must. But this top is so cute, as y'all can see. Hold up, let me autofocus it for y'all if y'all can't see. Yeah, that's that. Okay, Next thing I got, another bracelet. Gosh. This bracelet is really, really cute. I love it. It's like a smiley face bracelet. I hate opening, like, but if you shop at Shein, you know, like, when they be wrapping up like jewelry, they be making it so tight. Like, oh my god. I'm gonna open it later, y'all, but this is it. It's like smiley faces. I don't know if y'all can see, but once again, I'm gonna take a picture in case y'all cannot see it. But this is it. Okay, so that's it for the first package. I'm gonna open the second package. So this is another pair of weird shoes that you guys probably need to be weird. So these are the other pair. They are so cute. These are so cute, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, the next thing. I know y'all probably seen this all over social media. Everybody and their mama got this top, but I still love it regardless, and I had to get it. But this is the top. And I have the famous skirt to go with it. If you know, you know. What's this? Oh, okay, I know what this is. These are some pants that goes with this outfit that I have. Yeah, these are pants, oversized pants, because I got a raw outfit to go with it, y'all. I gotta do a clothing haul. This next thing is a matching set. Y'all, I used to wear matching sets like crazy back when I was in high school, but I stopped wearing them. But this is so cute. So cute. It has a top. So cute. I love this. Okay, this is another matching set. Oh my god, this is so cute. It looks so much better in person. Okay, so this is it. And it comes with a skirt. The rest of these are nails, press-on nails. Oh my god, all these are so cute. Okay, so the first pair of nails, second pair, third pair. These are so cute. I love these. They are Hello Kitty nails. Y'all, I used to be so obsessed with Hello Kitty back when I was in elementary up to middle school. If you know me, well, if you knew me back then, you know that. Like, I was obsessed. Like, I had the covers, I had the earrings, the necklaces, the book bags, everything Hello Kitty. I loved her. But yeah, these are the nails. And the last pair of nails, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. But yeah, that's it. Let me make sure. I love these. By the way, don't talk about my lace, y'all. I only put one layer because I'm taking this off today. Taking it off today. But yeah, that's it, y'all. That's it for this unpackaging. And I'm gonna end the video right now. Once again, go look at my pictures on Instagram. I'm going to be posting them. And I just want to say thank you so much if you subscribed, y'all. I be going so hard over my videos. Like, I be going so hard. And y'all, like my last video, I had 57 subscribers. Now I have 66 subscribers. Like, that means a lot to me. I know it's not a lot, and it's people that have more, but you gotta have gratitude. You gotta be grateful for what you have, because I could have like 10 subscribers right now, but people like my content, and because of that I'm gonna keep going no matter what. But I just want to say thank you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to share. Bye.